A big goal achieved in the effort to vaccinate Americans. The CDC now reporting half of all adults have received at least one dose of the vaccine. That's nearly 130 million Americans. Adults in Missouri and Kansas make up more than 3 million of those Americans, with over 2.1 million people getting at least one dose in Missouri and more than 1 million in Kansas.
And as of today, every American 16 and older is eligible for a COVID-19 vaccine. But locally, we're seeing a huge shift right now in supply and demand.
So a few months ago, there was a precious commodity. Now hospitals are asking folks to please come get one. Our reporter Emma James tells us why this likely means a shift in the way vaccines are administered.
Hospital leaders here at Truman Medical Center University Health say they have hundreds of doses to give out between both campuses. One KC woman tells us she heard their call for signups on our air and she picked up her phone right away.
The last 3 months in particular is becoming very isolating, and I'm ready to get out of that bubble and back into the real world.
Sarah Huff got an appointment scheduled within minutes of calling the hospital Monday. She now has her first dose.
I think in order for our lives to resume, that it is very important for the majority of the population to get vaccinated, provided that their health status will permit that.
President and CEO Charlie Shields says the hospital has worked its way entirely through its wait list of 30,000 people. As of Monday morning, it had 1,500 doses to give out.
But people need to know the vaccine's out there, it's available. I mean, this is not the situation it was early January, even into February.
Shields says you have to schedule an appointment to get a vaccine, but walk-in clinics aren't that far off in the future. Dr. Larry Botts, Chief Medical Officer of Advent Health Shawnee Mission, says mass clinics will soon be a thing of the past.
It's a really good place for us to be. It was very difficult when we had such a high demand and had a low supply that it was hard to turn people away.
The hospital filled 1,000 out of 2,400 appointment slots for a clinic over the weekend. It's looking to fill 1,000 open slots for its upcoming clinic this weekend. Dr. Botts says it's likely that'll be the last clinic of its size before vaccines begin to go more toward individual offices.
We still encourage everybody to get a vaccination. We're not where we need to be. We're getting closer and closer all the time.
In Kansas City, Emma James, 41 Action News.
You can call 816-404-CARE, C-A-R-E, to sign up for a vaccine at Truman Medical Center. We also have a link on our website to help you sign up at Advent Health Shawnee Mission.